So if you forgot your password, PIN, or pattern on your TCL 30SC, I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. Don't forget, with a factory reset, you will lose all your personal information, your personal data, your photos, and your videos, and so on, okay? So this one here, I forgot, or you forgot your password, or maybe it's just not working. So what we're going to do is do the factory reset. So first thing we got to do is go ahead and turn the phone off, okay? So we're going to go ahead and press and hold this power button, and then we're going to power off. Wait for it to turn off completely. Okay, now it's totally off. Now next thing we want to do is a two-key combination. What I want to do is press and hold the volume up and power. Press and hold both buttons, and then when you see the TCL logo, only let go of the power button and continue to hold this volume up until we get into the Android recovery menu. Okay, so we'll do it together, all right? So it's totally off right now. Volume up, power, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Just keep on holding till we see a TCL logo. There it is. Let go of only the power button and continue to hold the volume up. Okay, still holding the volume up here. Just wait until that we are in the recovery mode. Still holding volume up. Up. There we go. So now from here, what we want to do is we want to go down. You can move up or down using the volume up and down rocker. We want to go down to white data / factory reset. To select it, tap on the power button. So here's the power button. Let's tap on that. This is basically saying once you do this, this cannot be undone, all right? So hopefully you don't have anything important on there or you already have it backed up. So I'm going to go down to factory data reset, volume down, highlight factory data reset. Now to select it, tap on the power button right there and give it 1 second down here, formatting data, data wipe complete. Okay, now it defaults us back here, reboot system now, and that's what we want. So we're going to tap on the power button right there to select it. And now give it like 2 minutes or so. We're going to have to wait now. Go ahead and let it factory reset. And voila. There you go. Questions or issues, just comment below. All right. Good luck, guys.